Good morning all, welcome back to Hypertune. This is Dharmesh again and I'm here at SuciMuci round 3. Yes, everybody's getting ready for the recce, the free run now where they're just going to check out the track, get a feel of everything. So this is round 3, I'm back with my Satria 1.6. I'm taking part in 2 categories this time, the 1.6 NA and the MyVac VTEC category. The reason I'm joining the second category is just to get more seat time because I only have, so far, I've only joined 2 events here, so I feel I want more seat time. I know I can't compete against the MyVac VTEC guys, but I just want time around the track to familiar with the lines and the braking point, because being a Gymkhana autocross driver, since I started off with that, it's difficult for me to channel myself into being smooth and clean. So let's make it count. A quick shout out to the guys from SuciMuci for organizing this beautiful championship for us all to have fun. This is round 3. We've got round 4 coming up as well, closer towards the end of the year, and I cannot wait. We all love a proper championship series. It keeps us all going, makes it exciting, some friendly competition, and the way these guys organize it, a ton of fun. That's the organizer himself, Mr. Nizam, who is also a pro racer, and you can see him in many cars out at Sepang, MSF and everything. These guys know how to run a good deal. I did manage to do personal best. I managed to drop my time from my previous best time was 111.3 and I managed a 110.6 this time on my first heat. Unfortunately, after the third lap of my first heat, there was a loud sound from the engine first, which what felt was like a misfire was actually engine knocking, which then went into a complete shutdown of everything and a massive smoke from the hood, from the rear. Every time I looked behind, it was all smoke on the last lap, and there was some serious metallic sounds coming from it. I'm pretty sure the sound that was coming out. Dude, there was some serious sound there when the back end, right? Like when it blew, fuck, the metal sound all over the place, dude. Like chunks were flying, dude. It is so the only thing running through my mind at the time was what engine am I going to replace this with, because it sounded absolutely so that is the update from today. Unfortunately, this means I will not be able to complete the 3 other heats I joined in. I couldn't. So basically the whole day is I'm out lah, basically. Although I am happy with my timing, because even without actually pushing the car yet, because it was only the first heat, I wanted to get used to the whole grip levels and everything. I still managed quite a good improvement, so I'm satisfied with that. It means that I was on my way to hit my target of 109 anyway, so I'm quite happy with that. And for the rest of everything that happened, I can only hope it's for the best. I am still currently 4th place on today's timing board so far, so fingers crossed. If I stay in that range, nobody tops me out, that means I can still get a trophy today. So let's hope for that, and until then, let's enjoy race day. Almost at the end of the day now. Main competitor finished run faster than me. About to go. The 1.5 category is going now. There's a Subaru here. There's a 86 there. There is a fucking huge turbocharged Kanchil here. Huh? Small turbo. Gonna take a walk around the garage here. Let's see what's going on. Whew. Yes. Most of these guys have already finished their runs. So right now, let us go to the background and see what's going on there. You guys always see the front action, so let's actually see what the teams are like in the back. There's a lot of blood, sweat and tears going on here, you know. Everybody prepping their car. Those who are already done with their runs, they're packing up their stuff, just waiting for the prize giving. It's a lot of work, guys. A lot of work going to a track day. A lot of families come out as well to support. That's just lovely to watch sometimes, you know. Family, friends, everybody getting together for support, just for the love of racing. Oh, check it out, we got a nice Evo 5, is it? I'm not too good with my Evo language. Is it a 5? It is a 5, undefeated.
Ryan on Green Park dari ES Racing Team dengan catatan masa 1:10.379.
Woo!
Amen.
Say hi, say hi.
Dengan catatan masa 1:09.075. Abang Isa ni.
Oh, Uncle Legend. Congrats.
Enjin pecah sekian.
Right, to the next category.
Alright, now that we're away from everybody,
Yang ketiga.
I managed to grab 4th place after all with a time of 1:10.645. So I'm very happy with this because no matter what, it is my personal best so far. And I personally feel it's super exciting no matter what. It is a bit sad that the car is now on a tow truck. I'm not sure you guys can see on it's over there. So it is a bit sad that the car is all the way over there, but I will definitely do my best. So plonk in another engine, probably another 1492 again, and come back for round 4. Round 4 is scheduled to be in November. Got my target set. Thank you so much for Ural Lubricants, Works Engineering for their parts, their sponsors. It's amazing. We love it. Thank you SuciMuci for the amazing event. Hope to see you guys again in round 4.